Hello guys, welcome to Tutorly. So in today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to remove the Wix logo from your site. If you're seeing the Wix logo appear as the small icon on your website tab, that usually means your site is still using the default Wix favicon. A favicon is the small image that appears next to your website name in browser tabs. It may look like a small detail, but it helps your website feel more professional and makes your brand easier for visitors to recognize. The good news is that changing it is very simple, but there is one important thing to know before you begin. You need to have a premium plan in order to change the favicon. If your site is not on premium, this option may not be available yet. Wix keeps some branding features, including custom favicons, available only for premium websites, so make sure your plan is upgraded before looking for this setting. Once you've confirmed that you have a premium version of your site, you can go ahead and update the favicon. This is the little image that shows up in the browser tab next to your site name, and replacing it will remove the default Wix logo from that spot. Using your own favicon is a great way to create a more branded experience, because visitors will see your own icon instead of the default Wix image when they have multiple tabs open. To start, go to the top right corner of your Wix dashboard or editor and click on the search bar. This search feature is one of the fastest ways to find settings without having to browse through multiple menus, so it makes the process much quicker. Instead of manually searching through different Wix settings, the search tool lets you quickly find the exact option you need. After clicking the search bar, type in the word favicon. As you type, Wix should show you a result related to your favicon settings. Click on that option to open the correct section. Once you're there, you'll be able to change your favicon. This is the setting that controls the small icon associated with your site in browser tabs. By updating it from the default image to your own icon, the Wix logo will be removed and replaced with whatever favicon you choose. When selecting a favicon, it's a good idea to use a simple, clear image that still looks good at a very small size. Since favicons are tiny, logos with too much detail may be hard to recognize. For example, if your logo has a lot of text or complex designs, it may become unclear when displayed as a small browser icon. A clean icon or simplified brand mark usually works best. Many businesses use a single letter, a simple symbol, or a reduced version of their main logo as their favicon, because these designs stay recognizable even at a small size. After you make the change, save or publish your site if needed so the update can take effect. Keep in mind that browser tabs sometimes cache old icons, so if you don't see the change immediately, try refreshing the page or checking again in a new tab after a moment. Sometimes the old Wix logo may continue appearing temporarily because your browser saved the previous version. Clearing your browser cache or checking the website from another device can also help confirm the update. And that's it. As long as you're on a premium plan, you just need to use the search bar, look for the favicon setting, and replace the default icon. That will remove the Wix logo from your site tab and give your website a more custom, professional appearance. Having a custom favicon is a small improvement, but it helps your website look more complete, trustworthy, and consistent with your brand identity.